Welcome back. This is Nish Patel, the Vice President here at DreamHome. What I want to talk to you about today is how we're leveraging satellite technology to eliminate human error. Back in the day when we would come out to your home, we would have to walk around your house with a tape measure, take some notes on a notepad, and then do some math to figure out exact square footage, which is how we would end up knowing what to charge you for the job. Then we would base those measurements and we would order the materials that we thought we would need for your home. Now when that's involved, there's a lot of waste because we're just going off approximates at that point in time. Well, now that technology has become more advanced in our industry, technology and programs like Hover, Eagle View technologies, they allow us the ability to pull a satellite image of your home, which comes down, takes a 3D image, gives us a full-scale report of every aspect of your home, from your roof line to your siding to even your windows. Those measurements come in down to the inches. Therefore, when we're pricing out your job and when we're ordering materials on your job, we know it's exactly right. There's no overcharging, there's no undercharging. When we're actually doing the job, there's no excess waste of material not being used, and there's no shortage of materials that we then have to stop the job, go to our manufacturer, get more material, and then have to come back. So it avoids delays, it makes our process and pricing completely transparent. Therefore, you know you're getting the project for exactly what you should have gotten it for. If you thought this video was helpful, click the link below, subscribe, and there's more home improvement content to come out here in the near future.